Welcome to this FX Empire review of NordFX, a Forex and CFD broker which was founded in 2008. If we scroll to the bottom of the broker's homepage, we can actually see that NordFX.com is owned and operated by NFX Capital International Group of Companies. NordFX is a brand name of NFX Capital VU Inc. and holds a financial regulatory license from the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, as we can see here on the Financial Services Commission website, NFX Capital VU Inc. NordFX provides three different types of trading accounts: Fix, Pro and Zero. Each one, as we can see here, has a different minimum deposit, with the Fix account starting from just $10 up to the Zero account starting from just $500. Spreads and commissions vary depending on which account is opened. As we can see here on the Fix account, spreads start from 2 pips. On the Pro account, spreads start from 0.9 pips. And on the Zero account, spreads start from 0 pips. And as we can also see, the Fix and Pro account are commission free, with commissions payable on the Zero account. To find out more details about this, you can simply click on the Details tab, and this will provide more details on the trading instruments that are offered on each of the different accounts. And as we scroll down, the different margin that is available on these accounts, with leverage of up to 1 to 1,000. And if we scroll further down, we can start to see some more useful information regarding individual asset classes, with spread information and swap information for the different markets available. NordFX provides the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platform for both Windows and Mac. You can also see here you can trade via mobile trading apps on iPhone and Android. We'll actually be going through a demonstration of the NordFX MetaTrader trading platform a little bit later on in this video review. The broker also provides live market analysis and news. As we can see here, we've got Forex forecast and cryptocurrencies forecast in the market analysis page. You can also access an economic calendar, trading signals, VPS services, and also a trader's calculator. The broker also offers educational services, as we can see here on the education page. If we scroll down, quite a few videos available for beginners, advanced, also strategy videos here, MetaTrader videos, and some of these are locked off, but to access them, you simply just need to open a trading account to receive a login to the trader's cabinet area. To open a trading account, users simply need to navigate to the home page or to the top tab and click on Open an Account. This will then give you an option to choose the type of regulation you would like to open an account in, and then you just simply need to follow the steps to open up a live or demo trading account. The broker's homepage is very useful, with an account tab here on the left hand side, giving you lots of information on the different trading accounts available, plus the deposit and withdrawal methods, the different platforms available as well to trade on, as we just highlighted. And they also have some other additional trading features, such as the ability to invest into investment funds and affiliate program, different trading tools, as we've already covered, and educational tools as well. There's also a Contact Us page. And as we can see here on the Contact Us page, a variety of ways to get in touch with customer support. We have an online form that we can fill in to the relevant departments. There's also some frequently asked questions here as well. And if we scroll down, we also have different phone numbers across different geographical regions, as well as the support at NordFX.com. There's also quite a few social trading icons that users can access as well. The broker also offers a live chat function here at the bottom right. And if we click on this, we can ask a question, and we'll do a test right now to see how quick they respond. So I've just asked a question: do you offer a demo trading account? Then it asked me to introduce myself. Then literally within a matter of seconds, I already have a response from a live customer support agent. And in this instance, yes, they do offer demo trading accounts, which can be downloaded from their website. So very quick response time from this live customer service agent on NordFX. Now let's jump over to the MetaTrader trading platform provided by NordFX. So here we have the MetaTrader 4 trading platform provided by NordFX. As we can see here on the left hand side, there's a list of symbols that we can trade with. We can right click on this window and click on symbols, and you can actually see all the different markets available to trade with. So lots of different currencies here that are available, including things like US dollar against a Swedish krona, US dollar against a Singapore dollar, as well as your G7 cross currencies, Euro CAD, Pound Swiss, New Zealand Yen, and so on. There's also a lot of different cryptocurrencies. So you can see here Litecoin Pro, Bitcoin, Dash, Ripple. So quite a few different cryptocurrencies available to trade with, as well as different indices as well. So the Dow Jones 30, the Germany 30 cash index. So wide variety of markets available to trade with via NordFX. So look at all the markets. You can also simply right click and click show all, and then we can actually see all the different currencies available, all the different indices and cryptocurrencies as well. So to view a market, we just simply need to left click on this instrument and just drag it onto the chart. As we can see here, we have a chart of euro against the US dollar, and there's a couple of options we have at the top. We've got different time frames from a 1 minute chart all the way up to a monthly chart. We can also access different indicators by clicking on the insert button, indicators, and this provides us a list of some of the most popular known indicators such as Bollinger Band, moving averages, different oscillators such as the MACD, relative strength index, stochastic oscillator, and more. So lots of different indicators and functionality there for technical traders. To place a trade on the platform, there's a couple of different options. You can either click on new order, and this will enable traders to place either a live market execution order or select pending orders and use limit or stop loss orders. Also, you can use the one-click trading feature here, and on the top it also tells us what the spread is right now for something like the euro dollar, which is ranging from 0 to just a pip, so just about less than a pip there. So to buy this particular currency pair, we can simply click on the buy button, and it will pop up with a disclaimer for the one-click trading feature. And once you've read it and accepted the terms and conditions, press OK. So we can go back in now, we can click buy. You can see straight away at the bottom here, there is a live trade which has gone through. We can also see that on the chart with this horizontal line. What you may notice is that there is no stop loss or take profit attached to this trade. So to attach those orders, there's a couple of ways we can do this. We can either go to the horizontal support line, left click and hold down and just drag down the stop loss, or we can left click and hold down and drag it higher to put on a take profit. Now we can see the stop loss and take profit fields at the bottom have been filled in. To close a trade, we can simply right click and click on close order, and that will happen instantly. To trade to the short side, we can simply click the sell button, and as you can see here, it's just sold the euro dollar and this price level, but again there's no stop loss or take profit attached. So there's a couple of ways. We can either right click on this order now and click on modify, and then we can actually type in what the stop loss level will be. So we can type in, for example, 1 spot 11.90 as a stop loss, and we can put a take profit order in at 1 spot 10.70, just for example. And once we click modify, you can already see here instantaneously those order levels you can see on the chart with this horizontal line and this horizontal line, and it has also been updated here at the bottom. To close the trade, we can simply right click on this and click on close order. You can also modify the order as well if you're looking to trail stop losses or target levels. You can also put an automatic trading stop loss on here as well. So lots of different types of functionality available via this MetaTrader 4 trading platform provided by NordFX. In this instance, I'm just going to simply close the order. There's also some other features here. As you can see at the bottom, you can look at account history, news, you can set alerts, you can access the MetaQuotes marketplace for customized indicators and programming services. You can also access signals as well for copy trading and social trading. So lots of different features. Now let's have a look at the NordFX mobile trading app. So here we have the MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app provided by NordFX. As we can see here, on the home screen. It gives us the ability to look at quotes, charts, trading activity, history, news, and an economic calendar. If we look at the quote window, we can see here large selection of different currencies. To add on different markets, we can simply click the pencil icon, and we can simply click the plus icon, and then you can see here a list of different markets which are available to trade with via NordFX. We can click on, let's say, Indices, for example. We can add on the German 30 cash index by selecting this, and then now that will be added to the quote window here at the bottom, German 30. So quite useful, quite functional. We can see here the spread right now on euro dollar right at the top, just around 1 pip. A couple of pips there on pound against the US dollar, about a pip there for US dollar against the Japanese yen. So pretty competitive. If we click on the euro against the US dollar, it will give us some options to either open a new order or open a chart. So we can click on open chart. And as we can see here, we have a chart now of the euro dollar. So we've got a wide variety of functions here. We can select different time frames, such as the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and so on, all the way up until the monthly. We can add different indicators by clicking the F icon. And as you can see here, we can add on indicators to the main chart, or there's an indicator window at the bottom. And if we click the F icon, we can click Bollinger Bands, envelopes, Ichimoku clouds, average true range, momentum, and many more. So useful functionality for chart-based traders. We can also select the plus icon here, and then that will give us the dates and times and exchange rate on the right-hand side. To actually place a trade, we can actually click the plus icon here on the top right, and this will open this ticket. We can simply click buy at market, and that's done. And we have an open order here, buy at market. As we can see here, there's no stop loss or take profit attached. So to add a take profit and stop loss, we simply hold down on the order, and we can select modify order. And in this instance, we're buying, so we can put a take profit above, and then we can put a stop loss below, and then we can click on modify. That order has been modified, and as we can see here, we have a stop loss and take profit attached. To close this order, we just need to hold down on the trade and click on close order, and then just confirm that, and that order has now been closed. To go back to the quote window, we can select the first icon at the bottom left, or we can go directly to the chart by selecting the 3 candle icons, the second one in at the bottom. And we're back at the chart. We can click on the plus icon again, and we can either use a market execution. There's also other type of orders such as limit and stop orders as well, but let's just select market execution for now. And instead of just hitting the sell by market button, in this instance we can actually put a stop loss and take profit. So then when we do click the button, take profit and stop loss will already be attached. So we click on sell by market, and if we click on this trade, we can see a stop loss and take profit was already attached as soon as we entered the trade. So that's obviously quite useful. To close this, we can simply hold down and click on close order. So that wraps up this FX Empire review of NordFX. We hope you found this to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.